Whenever I would feel stuck in life, something that I would do to help me get by is to create a goal and go after it. A goal that has a specific deadline, a goal where you have to follow a plan to achieve it. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 3 stories from my life where I created a goal like this to help me get by. I'm actually filming today from Jeju Island as I'm doing some travels throughout Asia. Today we went to see a waterfall nearby, and it was nice. It was a small waterfall and it was cool to see. Got some video footage of it, and I wanted to make a video today to talk about my journey because it might help you. So one of the first times in my life I did this was back in college. I remember feeling lost, not knowing what to do. I kept changing my major a few times, and I didn't know what to do, what to decide on, what to do with my life, what I wanted to do. Where I seen people stay put with their major throughout the entire time. Everyone seemed like they had a specific goal they were after. They knew what they wanted out of college, and I was just trying to figure things out. And I wanted to do something to give me structure because I kept changing things around, didn't know what I want. So I decided to do a marathon. And like a marathon didn't help, it's not going to help me with college or my career aspirations, but it gave me structure. By doing a marathon, it gave me a concrete goal, and then I follow a specific training regimen where I looked online, and it just gave me like, this week you run this many miles, this day you run this many miles. So it gave me structure on it. And by actually like adding more responsibilities for me, I became more productive, and I completed college at the University of Florida without changing my degree after that. And then I got my master's as well after I got my bachelor's, and I was able to get a job in the industry that I got my degree in. So in college, doing a marathon helped me by giving me a structure, giving me a purpose on something outside of academics that, oddly enough, helped me with school. The second time I got structure in my life was when I was learning to code. So I was laid off from my nightclub promoting job. I was trying to figure things out and decided on coding. And I knew I wanted to learn how to code, and I was following tutorial after tutorial from random YouTubers from different courses and from different programming languages all over the place. And I wasn't really getting anywhere. It was too hard. I would get stuck. I didn't have anyone to help me. I had doubts if I was doing the right thing or not. So I decided to take a coding bootcamp. And with the coding bootcamp, it gave me structure. I didn't have to doubt, am I learning? What should I be learning? So that was the one thing I was struggling about, because coding is so vast. It gave me what I should learn. It gave me projects that I should follow, so I didn't have to figure out what projects I want to do. Because in coding you might hear like, just create your own projects, but what does that even mean? You don't even know where to start. So they gave you concrete projects, they gave you concrete technologies that you learn, and a curriculum to do it. So by following this curriculum, it was hard, it was expensive, but I was able to do it. And then it took me a while, years after completing the bootcamp, to actually get a job. But it gave me the confidence that I could learn coding. It gave me the foundational knowledge to learn coding that I needed in the first place to even get a job. So taking the coding bootcamp was the second step in my life where I got structure in a chaotic environment. And finally was when I decided to do 75 hard. And this was when I was starting up my freelance business, doing web development, and things were going chaotic, things were taking longer than it should. I was having doubts about this endeavor, and I wanted something that I can lean on to give me confidence in what I was doing, to help build my belief, to help build my ability to stick through what I said I would do. So I decided to do 75 Hard. And 75 Hard was a regimen where it gives you concrete, actionable steps that you have to do. Like you have to read 10 pages every day, you have to work out twice a day, you have to not cheat on your diet, you have to take pictures, accountability picture, and then what was else? You have to drink water. And during this, adding this on to my schedule kind of forced me to be more productive, more structured with how I approach my business, approach my day-to-day, to be able to work in it, because I had to be more efficient. And by completing this challenge, it helped me build confidence in myself, build confidence that I could do what I say I was going to do, that I could accomplish entrepreneurship, freelance web development, something extremely hard. So, and then that's just the concept that if things go wrong, I can handle it. I can figure things out. So those are the three main things that I've done. I did a marathon. I took a coding boot camp. I did 75 Hard. So if you're struggling, feeling lost, try to decide on a goal that you want to do. It doesn't even have to be related to anything. It could be like a side quest. It can be something that you haven't done before. And by doing it, it has to be something simple, something concrete, something that has like detailed steps for you to do so you can feel better. And then you can use this tool to get you through a difficult time. I'm also trying to do this again by posting consistently. That even though this idea of posting a video a day where I'm talking to camera, walking around might not work, it's giving me structure on how to go about content creation. So that's all I wanted to share with you today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos as I talk about the journey, about coding, traveling, web development.